This elephant was bullied and pushed into the water by the herd because he wasn't like the others. He was picked on because he was able to make paintings. The others didn't understand and they pushed him away. The keepers noticed and separated him to keep him safe. Now he was able to freely roam without worries, so he started painting peacefully again. People came to the zoo just to see him. What many people didn't know is he was pouring his feelings into the paintings, as one time he also painted elephants walking beside him, because deep down he didn't want to be famous, he just wanted friends. If this breaks your heart too, subscribe.